Welcome back to Softech Coding. This is the 4th episode of our Coding with Scratch series. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm continuously going to make videos. Today, we're going to be learning how to merge backdrops and how to add music to your creations. So the first thing you need to do is go to Scratch, click on My Stuff right here. This is your folder. And click on New Project. Okay, so now it's creating it, and here we have our new project. So we're going to delete our scratch cat. So we have the trash can with the X. We're going to choose a sprite. So we're going to choose a sprite to be the person who it's its birthday. So maybe I'm going to choose maybe this penguin. This looks really cute. Okay, and some other people to come to the birthday party. Maybe this butterfly can come, and let's go down. Maybe the duck comes to the birthday party. Let's see, who else can we invite? Let's invite some other animals. Let's see, maybe the elephant comes to the birthday. Let's move them apart. They're on top of each other. Okay, so we're going to, maybe we can go down and we can add this frog. So we're going to add this frog to our birthday. And maybe one more animal at our birthday. Maybe Dot, the space dog, can be added. Okay, so now we have the birthday penguin and its friends. Now we're going to make the birthday penguin dressed up for a birthday. So we're going to give it some, we're going to give all of the animals some party hats and some other accessories. So we're going to click on choose a sprite. Now, as I mentioned before, here we have the fashion section. Click on this. Now here we have the party hat that we can use for our birthday party. So you're going to click on party hats. So if you see here we have the sprite party hats. We're going to go to costumes. Here we have 3 different party hats. So we're going to choose one for our penguin. I think party hat A is best for our penguin. So we're going to go on this and you're going to click copy. And when you click this copy button, it copies the whole thing. So it copies the whole hat. So when you go to penguin and you press paste, it copies the whole hat for you. This is a cute looking penguin. So now I'm going to paste this hat for all of the penguin's costumes. The paste button is just right here. And you can move around, you can move the whole hat to here. This is going to be good for blowing up the candles, this costume. Or we can add some of the birthday hat to all of our penguins' costumes. Okay. You can also make the hat bigger or smaller. So for example, if the hat wanted to be bigger, but I think that we can make it bigger for all of it a little bit. Just a little bigger for our penguin, or we can make it a little shorter and we can make it wider, and we can do this for all of them. So to delete it, you just press backspace on your keyboard. You can just paste the one that you've copied. So just select the hat by pressing down and pulling, press delete or backspace, and then paste the new hat. Just make it a little bit smaller here. And then we're going to take this one and we're going to, or you can just make it smaller right here. Oh, it didn't. Wait. We can just do it here. You can just backspace it. And then you can paste the new one. And we can make it the right size. Okay, so now we have our penguin with the party hats. And now we can give a few party hats to some of the other people who have come too. I think this would be perfect for the space dog Dot. because this would be perfect for his helmet, so it goes over his helmet. So we can make this a bit longer so it can do it, and then we can also change the color of this, so we can also change the color of the penguin's one too after. So we can do a radial design, and we can make this brighter and this one brighter too. We can fill in these little springy thingies, and we can pull it in at the middle. Now we can add the other one, so we can add, oh no, we can change the color of the actual dog. Maybe we can make him green, so for the party lights or something. And then we can change him color here too, maybe. We can make him different colors. Okay, so now let's paste his party hat here. And we can pull it, and we can put it for his helmet, and we can fill it in with maybe, yeah, sure, this color. Okay, and now we can go to the next dot, and we fill this dot in with this color, and then we can paste party hat, put it on his astronaut helmet, and then we can, oh, forgot to click on this, and we can maybe make it red and yellow, maybe, and for here. So we can do this, and now we have different colors. No, I don't think that looks really good. I'm going to undo that. To undo it, you just have to click on this button here, and it will undo what you have done. So I'm going to fill it with a new color. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to choose a gradient. So, oh no, it filled in between the springs. I never knew you could do that. Learn something new every day. Okay, so now we can change the color here, and then just click on this and change the color here too. So for example, we can make it a nice blue color, and if you click away, you can click here. Now you have filled in between here as well, and you have filled it all in. So now we can go to dot D. I don't think we need dot D. He's looking, so we can just delete dot D, and we can go and we can fill the penguin with different colors. So just choose the colors that you like and fill them in. So for example, maybe for the rest of the penguins, we can fill in the penguin a little bit, so we can choose maybe a bluish color with a more turquoisey color, and then we can do different colors for all the different penguin costumes, pinkish with orangish. No, that doesn't look really good. Let's try maybe another color combination, bluish with maybe purplish pinkish. Let's try. Yeah, not bad. Okay, and maybe this one can be this color with this color. And let's try. Pretty good. Okay, so now our penguin is different colors. Now we can get a party hat for our duck. So let's see which one, maybe this one, so it's different. So click on that and copy. Okay, time for our duck. Duck only has one costume. Maybe we can give him one more costume. Let's make its hat a little bit smaller and put it on its head. And we can turn it a little bit, the hat. So to turn it, just click on this button here and pull it and turn it around, loop-de-loop, and put it on the duck's head. A little bit maybe this way, a little bit smaller, and a little bit less from the tall side. And I think it's pretty good now. Okay, so now we can change the colors of the hat. So maybe we can make the hat a we can make the hat a different color. I'm going to just click and select away. And we're going to make the hat a different color. And we can make the duck a different color too. I'm going to select the color of the duck. Just click on the dropper here. And maybe this color combination that it's given, it isn't bad, yeah. Okay, I'm just going to keep the tail the same color. And we're going to make one more costume for our duck with different colors. So, for example, maybe a bluish color, or maybe we can do an orangish color with, maybe we can do it with a reddish color or something like that. No, I don't really like that. We can choose maybe a different color combination. Maybe we can do yellow and maybe we can do yellow and which color? This color. Maybe that looks, no, that's almost the same as the last one. Yellow and pink, maybe. Let's try it. Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna make one more costume, and to make a new costume, just right click onto the duck and you'll see duplicate, export, and delete. We don't want to delete this duck, so just click on duplicate, and you can create a new costume of the duck, so you can create another version. We're gonna create one other color combination, maybe this color, and maybe we can do this color, and we can fill in, oh, I filled in the border, fill in our duck. Okay, so now I have lots of different colors for the duck. Time for the elephant. Let's see, which party hat for the elephant? For the elephant, maybe this one, because it has a big round head. No offense to the elephant. So we're going to go to the elephant, and we're going to paste just right here, the paste button, and we're going to make it a little smaller this way, and a little maybe shorter this way, and there we go. We have our party hat for our elephant. Fill it with a different color, maybe a greenish color with maybe with a purplish color. So we can fill this in, boop, boop, and we can fill in our elephant. So let's choose another color for our elephant. So we can do this color for the body, and maybe we can do a different color for, maybe we can do this color, and a pink or a reddish, light reddish color for the feet. Okay, so now let's go to the next elephant. So we can fill in the body maybe with this color. We can paste our hat here, and we can make it a bit smaller and less tall, shorter. Oh, we don't want to do that. Just click undo, and maybe we can rotate it a little bit so it's not on the elephant's eyebrow, and then we can make it a little bit smaller like this. And I think that's pretty good. And we can use our fill to fill it in. I like the color that it's chosen, so you can just fill it in, just like so. And then we can do, oh, toenail. We can do the feet, and there we go. We have our elephant. Now let's do the frog. Let's see with their frog. We can make the frog this color. Let's get a party hat for our frog. Party hat. Maybe this party hat A. So we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it onto the frog. Whoop, that's a big party hat, almost bigger than the frog. And put it maybe here. We can make it a bit smaller, bit more, and that's pretty good. A little bit taller, and then we can duplicate our frog. So remember, just right click and click duplicate. Okay, so now we have our frog again. We can fill it in with a different color, maybe the green, but a bit lighter, with a nice pink. Nice. Okay, now I don't think that we really need I don't think that oh yeah, we can fill in its feet too. So let's just fill in the feet of our frog and the hands. And then we can just do the same thing for our other frogs. Just change the colors, maybe blue with green. Just click that. Oh no! We can click that in. And I don't think we need the butterfly because we already have so many animals in our birthday party. Now it's time to get this party started. Let's get our backdrop. Okay, so let's see, where do we want this party to take place? Let's see. Okay, we're going to need a party backdrop for the balloons. We're going to merge backdrops. So we're going to choose another backdrop. Maybe this penguin's birthday is at the slopes. Okay, so now we have an Arctic birthday. So we're going to add one more, maybe the hearts. Okay, so maybe we're gonna add a few more backdrops to this. Maybe we can add spotlight, a party disco, and maybe the concert. Okay, so now we're going to merge our backdrops. So we're going to merge this party backdrop with the slopes backdrop. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to select all the balloons by holding and covering all the balloons. And we're going to just do the balloons, not the bottom. Oh, the reason it's selecting it all is because this is all grouped. When it's all grouped, that means all of the pieces that are created here, they're all in one piece. So we're going to click ungroup up here, and then we're going to select these all, and we're going to copy them, and we're going to paste them onto slopes. Oh no, it brought the white backdrop. So we have to remove the white backdrop in the party. So I'm going to delete that one by clicking backspace. And I'm going to select the white backdrop and I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to select all the balloons and I'm going to click copy, go to slopes, and paste them. Now we have all of our balloons here in the slopes for our birthday party. And now maybe we can add something from this one. Maybe we can add the balloons to this one. And I think the spotlight has all the lights and everything. But the concert, it could use maybe a few balloons to add some color. Okay, so now we're going to change the colors maybe of a few of the balloons or something. But you don't have to do this. It's just you can do it if you like, but you don't have to. So let's see. We can add a birthday cake for our penguin. So I'm going to put the penguin in the middle here. I'm going to switch the costume of the penguin to this one. Okay, so the penguin is looking forward at its, we're going to search birth. Okay, let's try cake. Oh, there we go, cake. Sometimes the search words aren't right. And we're going to put it right in the middle in front of our penguin. Okay, so now we can make it look like we can, so that the birthday party, and we can finish coding this so that it switches backgrounds and the sprites change colors in the next video. And we can add music as well. Okay, so maybe we can add the music right now. So to add music, you can click on sounds and you click choose a sound, and we're going to go to loops, and maybe we can add, oh, so whenever you put your mouse over the play button, it'll play the sound. So maybe I like this one for the birthday. So we're going to click on this, and this will automatically come here. It's called Dance Celebrate, and we're going to loop it so it forever plays this song. So we're going to go to code. We're going to pull out a one green flag clicked block, and we're going to we're going to zoom in a little bit, and we're going to pull out a forever block, and we're going to save, SSS rule, and we're going to go to the sound section, play sound, dance, celebrate until done, because if you only do start sound, dance, celebrate, it will just keep on starting the sound and will never finish it. So now we're going to try our code. So now it's looping the music for us. So now we're going to make it so that it changes costumes for all of our different creatures. So we're going to do one green flag clicked. We're going to do forever. And we're going to pull out the next costume and the wait 1 second block. We're going to make it into maybe 0.3 seconds, and we're going to click on it. It looks pretty good. So we're going to Control C, and we're going to Control V. Oh, too many times. We're going to Control V into all of these different sprites. Just click it and just click on the sprite and just do Control V. So now we're going to click stop, we're going to click save, and we're going to try our code. Wow, it really works! And now it's a dance party, birthday party for our penguin. Now the only thing left to do is to switch the backdrops. So we're going to switch backdrops now. So just paste the same code here. Oh no! And pull it by the hat block, or else it won't work. It will, if you pull it by another block, it'll just take that stack of code. So make sure you always pull it by the hat block. So we're going to pull out the wait 0.3 seconds and say bye-bye to the next costume. Oh, bye-bye. And we're going to go to looks, and we're going to pull out next backdrop. So we're going to put next backdrop and wait 0.3 seconds. So that we'll switch backdrops as well as switching costumes. We're going to click save, and we're going to try our code. It works! Yes! Woohoo! So now our code is switching backdrops for our penguin's birthday party. And whenever the penguin blows out the candles, they go up, and it looks like a really, really fun birthday party. Okay, so don't forget to give us subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. We have lots of other videos and more coming.
Hey.